In this video, we're going to be finding the equation of the line given a table. To find this equation, you need to first pick 2 points from the table and find the slope. It can be any 2 points at all. After that, you're going to use the slope you found and one ordered pair to find the y-intercept. Once we find our slope and our y-intercept, we're ready for step 3, which is plugging it into our slope-intercept equation and writing it down. The first example we have here is Elizabeth's cell phone plan lets her choose how many minutes are included each month. The table shows the plan's monthly cost, which is y, for a given number included in minutes, which is x. Write an equation in slope-intercept form to represent the situation. So right here we have a table that's set up horizontally. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different points we could pick from. You just need to pick 2. I'm going to pick the first 2. Okay, so I'm going to pick 114 and 220. Step 1, find slope. So we're going to take these ordered pairs and we're going to plug them into our slope formula. So we'll have 20 minus 14 over 200 minus 100. When we do that subtraction, 20 minus 14 gives us 6. 200 minus 100 gives us 100. Okay? We can simplify this. Okay? I can divide a 2 out of both, and we'd be left with 3 over 50. So that would be our slope. Then next thing we need to do, we need to find our y-intercept. Find the y-intercept. So we're going to take any one of these ordered pairs that we picked right here. So one of these, I'm going to pick this one. So I'm going to pick 220, and then my slope that we just found, which was 3/50. We're going to plug everything in. This is our x, this is our y. So we're going to have 20 equals 3/50 times 200 plus b. If I said 5 before, I'm sorry, it should be 3/50. Then we multiply this right here. We're going to get 20 equals 12 plus b. Then we have a one-step equation. We're going to subtract them. 20 minus 12 is going to give us 8 for our y-intercept. So now I have my y-intercept, which is 8. My slope, which is 3/50. So our last and final step is to get the answer, which is going to be y equals 3/50 x plus 8. And there's our solution. That's our equation. Next. Example number 2. A salesperson receives a weekly salary plus commission for each computer sold. The table shows the total pay, which is y, and the number of computers sold, which is x. Write an equation in slope-intercept form to represent the situation. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different points again. You can pick any 2 you want. I'll pick this first one, and we'll pick a different one. We'll pick that one. So I'm picking the ordered pair 4 and 550 and 10 and 1000. First thing we need to do, find that slope. So step 1 is find that slope. We're going to plug everything in. So I'm going to have 1000 minus 550 all over 10 minus 4. When we subtract the top, we get 450. When we subtract the bottom, we get 6. And then 450 divided by 6 actually gives us a nice number. It's going to give us 75. So our slope for this one is going to be 75. Then out of these 2 points, I'm going to pick one of them to find my b. Okay? The point I'm going to pick is going to be the first one. So we're on step 2. Find b. I'm using the ordered pair 4 and 550, and our slope is 75. So we're going to label that. Then we plug it into our slope-intercept formula. Okay, our y is 550 equals our slope times our x plus b. When we multiply 75 times 4, we're going to get 300. Then we have a one-step equation. We're going to subtract 300 on both sides. And we're going to get our y-intercept equal to b. Our y-intercept equal to 250. So we found our slope, found our y-intercept. Now I need to create an equation. So my equation, which is the answer we're looking for, is going to be y equals 75x plus 250. One more example. Okay, this one gives us a horizontal table. Okay, same procedure. First, we find our slope. So we need to pick 2 ordered pairs from this 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, another table of 5. I don't like dealing with negative numbers. Sometimes they get messy. So I'm going to pick 2 points that don't have any negative numbers. So I'm going to pick this one and this one. Okay, so I picked the ordered pairs 1, 3, and 2, 5. We're going to plug them into our slope formula. So we're going to get 5 minus 3 over 2 minus 1. 5 minus 3 will give us 2. 2 minus 1 will give us 1. And then 2 over 1, we can simplify that. And that's just going to give us a 2. So my m equals 2. Step 2. Find b. Find our y-intercept. So we're going to take one of these ordered pairs that we picked and our slope, and we're going to find that. The ordered pair that I'm going to pick is going to be this one. So I'm going to forget about that ordered pair. So I'm picking 1, 3, and my slope is 2. We label our ordered pair. This is x, this is y. Then we plug it into our equation, our slope-intercept equation. So we'll have 3 equals our slope, which is m, which is 2. So 2 times x, which is 1, plus b. So 2 times 1 gives us 2. We have a one-step equation, so we're going to subtract 2 on both sides. 3 minus 2 gives us a 1. Okay, gives us a 1. So we found our slope, found our y-intercept, so we're ready for step 3. Step 3 is to get our answer. Okay, write the equation. So we know y equals, our m is 2x plus 1. So this is also our answer. But if you look back at this table, notice that our y-intercept is 2. If you remember anything about y-intercept, we know that the ordered pair for a y-intercept is always 0, comma, whatever number it crosses at. So if you look at this table and you notice, oh, my x is 0, that means my y-intercept is 1. They made it easy for us. Okay? Now it's time for you to try some on your own. Good luck.